Mahalanobis distance is one of the most common indices to detect multivariate outliers. You can easily calculate it with SPSS statistics using the linear regression function. For this purpose, we present a straightforward example using a fictitious dataset consisting of 250 individuals that have filled a 60-variable fictitious questionnaire. To compute the Mahalanobis distance index with SPSS, you have to select Analyze, Regression, Linear. First, define the variables of interest as independent variables. In fact, the Mahalanobis distance measures the distance of cases from the means of the independent variables. Because Mahalanobis distance is a property of independent variables, the choice of the dependent variable does not affect Mahalanobis distance scores. Thus, any numeric variable outside the independence variables can be used. Just be sure that the dependent variable does not contain any missing values. Once you have selected both dependent and independent variables, click on the Save button. Then just select Mahalanobis distance, click on Continue, and then click the OK button to run the regression analysis. As a result, a new variable will be created and added at the end of your dataset. This variable corresponds to the Mahalanobis distance scores. Mahalanobis distance scores could be used classically by comparing the individual score to the critical value of a chi-square distribution with degrees of freedom equal to the number of independent variables at 0.001 significance level. Otherwise, the Mahalanobis distance could be considered and used as a continuous variable indicating the likelihood to be an outlier.